Today's video is unboxing of a spring compressor kit. Now you can get this kit online for around 21, 22, 25 bucks. I'm pretty sure it's the same kit that you will find at Harbor Freight. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get and see how it feels and if it, feels cheap and if it's worth 25 bucks. It does come with a nice case. It feels like it actually is quite tough case. You could toss it around. Not that brittle plastic. It's got two latches. That's normal with any case. Just go ahead and open it up. And we got two nice brand new spring compressors. Now I prefer a style because the one that goes in the center sometimes hook can't reach all the way across. And I do enjoy this style. Now, they do feel heavy, and the top one always slides. The bottom one is what twist is. The bolt actually feels like a lot of casting bolt. Like it's not a super heavy grade bolt. You can tell that by the way it feels. I like that feature though. You can take a impact, or it's not recommended use impact, but you could take your ratchet and put it in that end, not have to use a wrench. That's very nice. It comes with these locking pins here. I could see these little pins being a pain, actually, taking these little clips out. They could just put a pull clip in it and it would have been a whole lot easier. But if it works, it works. Because sometimes you gotta take these all the way out and then feed them in. Ain't much to say. It don't come with instructions or anything. It's very self-explanatory. But you can go up a little bit more quality. On these, I mean, you can get a good quality set probably for around 50-60 bucks. But if you gonna compress lighter springs, I guess maybe coil springs that ain't gonna be super compressed, and these should do just fine. I don't know if I would 100% trust them. I don't think I 100% trust any spring compressor, to be honest with you. But all in all, it's a decent little kit for 25 bucks. And it probably will last you a long time, as long as you don't misuse it. Now, when you compress a spring, make sure these is always 180 degrees from each other. You don't want them beside each other. You want them directly across from each other. So I will give you after review after I use these a little bit. I do got to change some struts out. They are not the full quick strut. I don't like the quick struts. I actually have to load them, so I got to take my old springs and put them on. And I got some coil springs to put on a Z71 and stuff. So yeah, after that I can give you an honest review on these cheaper coil springs and see how they do. So if you have got one of these cheaper kits, let me know in the comment section and what you think about it and your experience with it. It might help other people out watching this video. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed, leave a comment as always, and show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.